Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make oyster sauce chicken. It goes really well with rice. I normally serve it in a donburi style with rice and chicken on top. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this oyster sauce chicken, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 1 to 2 chicken breasts depending on the size, 3 tablespoons of potato starch or cornstarch, 3 tablespoons of sake, some salt and pepper, 1 onion, red pepper and green pepper. For the sauce, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 2 tablespoons oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons sake, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon potato starch or cornstarch, 1 tablespoon grated ginger. I keep the grated ginger frozen, so it's still frozen. If you want to know how I freeze it, please watch this video here. And if you are serving the chicken with rice, I also put the link for the rice here. As always, I'm going to start with the vegetable cutting, so green pepper. Cut it into half. Remove the seeds and pith. Then cut it into thin strips. Same for the red pepper. Cut it into half. Remove the seeds. Into strips. Onion, cut the top and the bottom off. Peel the skin. Cut into half. Then thin slices. Chicken next. Remove the skin and trim all the fat. Cut the knife like this and make thin slices. Like this, and then into strips. Like this. Put chicken. 3 tablespoons of sake, some salt and pepper, about half a teaspoon, 3 tablespoons of potato starch in a bowl, and rub it well. Now I'm going to stir fry them. But before I do that, I'm going to mix all the ingredients for the sauce so that I don't panic when I need it. So here I have 100 ml of water, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of sake, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger. It's defrosted by now. 1 tablespoon of potato starch. Give it a mix and it's ready. Heat up about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in the wok or frying pan over medium-high heat. Put the chicken and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Then vegetables. And cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes. Vegetables are wilted, so it's time to add the sauce. Turn the heat off and mix the sauce one more time because potato starch is sinking at the bottom. Add the sauce to the frying pan. Mix. Then turn the heat back on and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. The sauce is nice and thick, so let's add the sesame oil. Give it a quick mix. And it's done. As I said at the beginning, I like to serve it with rice, so I have some rice here. Let's put the chicken and vegetable here. And chicken with oyster sauce is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Rice, chicken and vegetable all together. Itadakimasu. The chicken is coated with the potato starch, so it's so tender and moist. And the sauce is just so delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Oyster sauce chicken is the main, but I served it with rice, so let's put it here and nothing here. Onion miso soup or any soup you like here. For one of the side dishes, I usually have some sort of pickles, either off the shelf or homemade. For the other one, you can have anything you like, but how about spinach and sesame salad? I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!